It's never been a better time to be an off-road truck enthusiast. There are more choices than ever before, and American automakers produce three of the most capable trucks: the 2017 Chevrolet Colorado ZR2, 2017 Ford F-150 Raptor, and 2017 Ram 2500 Power Wagon. But which one of these factory off-roaders is best? We took them to eastern Canada to find out. I lay on the ground, defenseless. Blood dripped down my forehead. I knew the next assault was coming. I could hear the bastards coming before I could see them. Minutes earlier, 5 words had just changed my entire morning. The Ram has a flat. It was a Tuesday somewhere along a rutted 2-lane gravel road in the remote Canadian province of Newfoundland and Labrador. We were 75 miles from our origin that day in Port Hope Simpson, and 75 miles, and an hour and a half of driving, from the can't-miss ferry from the Labrador mainland to the island of Newfoundland. The timing of the flat was, to use polite language, really inconvenient. We pulled our Ram Power Wagon onto the shoulder, parked our companion vehicles next to it, and rushed our tire change. But we were not quick enough to avoid the merciless cloud of mosquitoes, horseflies, and black flies that emerged from the undergrowth. To them, deer was not repellent but perfume. And I was their lunch date. Fellow editors Scott Evans and Miguel Cortina, videographer Corey Lutz, photographers William and Jessica Walker, and I were taking the 3 baddest off-road pickups through some of the most grueling conditions in North America. And the TLH, as it's called in shorthand, is our not well-beaten path across this frontier. To be clear, highway is a generous term. This road lays claim to some of the longest unpaved, pothole-laden stretches of road on the continent. Inclement weather is frequent, but traffic is scarce, save for the occasional moose or bear. Fuel stops at frontier villages pop up every 150 miles or so, hospitals maybe twice that. There's no cell coverage. The Mounties will loan you a satellite phone at each end of the road. In other words, you're on your own.